Alright guys, as you can see, we are starting the wiring, or started the wiring already. We have all of the markers on this side and strobes besides up top and that piece. So it's just a lot of work, a lot of wiring. There's probably about 200 foot of wiring on this. Just had to go and pick up some other stuff, P-clamps to clamp the wires up behind the the inside so that the wires are up out of the way. We'll still have to drill the holes for the fuel tank or filler neck, and then we got to drill the holes for the license plate brackets or the license plate. Other than that, we got the 4 lights in the back, and he wants those on a switch, so we're gonna put the reverse up top and then leave these 2 red, and then the other one's gonna be red, so that way, you know, we have our 3, you know, turn, stop markers, and then we have our reverse, and then when he needs to turn these on in the morning or something like that, or at night to work on something, then he can, you know, sort of pop those on. Other than that, everything's looking good. We got the clamps on, the bumpers on, or the latches, as you can see. So this thing is pretty solid. And now we're just working on trying to get all the wiring done today. And then we're going to wrap the line the top of the boxes, the floor, and then we're going to flip these over, and we're going to wrap the line the backs of these so that that's all done. It's coming together. It's a lot of work. He's coming Monday, so we have an extra day, thank God, because I don't think I'd be able to get this all done today, because I still got to do some welding and stuff for other brackets and painting some miscellaneous things with some bedliner. So yep, we're just gonna continue on, and sorry if I'm all over the place with everything, but we're trying to get everything done.